How to log out of Messenger on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out of Messenger on Android. So you have probably noticed that there is no actual logout button inside the app, but don't worry. I'll show you how you can log out easily from the Messenger. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, as you can see, I am currently logged into my account on Messenger. So to log out, I'm going to simply close the Messenger app, and from there, I'm going to simply tap and hold on the Messenger app. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear. From there, simply tap on app info. And here, once you are inside the app settings, simply tap on the option labeled as storage. And now here on the storage section, you can see the option labeled as clear data at the bottom center of the screen. So just tap on that, and after that a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on clear all data, and after that a confirmation message will pop up. From there, simply tap on OK, and by doing this, this will remove your login from the app. And now when you open Messenger again, it will prompt you to log in just like the first time. But don't worry, your chats won't be deleted, they are backed up on Facebook servers. And that's it. That's how you can log out of the Messenger on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.